How does ground-level ozone cause air pollution? Imagine a sunny day where the air feels heavy, and breathing becomes a little more difficult. That's often caused by something called ground-level ozone, a sneaky pollutant that forms close to where we live and work. And like the ozone layer high above us that protects us from the sun's harmful rays, ground-level ozone is a harmful air contaminant. It forms when sunlight interacts with certain chemicals released from cars, factories, and other sources. These chemicals are nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds. When sunlight hits these pollutants, it triggers a series of chemical reactions that produce ozone right at ground level. This process is most active during hot, sunny days when the sun's energy is strongest. Once formed, ground-level ozone becomes a powerful oxidant. That means it can irritate and inflame our respiratory systems. When we breathe in ozone, it can cause coughing, sore throats, and a feeling of tightness in the chest. It makes deep breaths feel harder and can worsen conditions like asthma, emphysema, and chronic bronchitis. People with existing lung problems often experience more frequent attacks when ozone levels are high. Even healthy individuals might notice their lungs feeling less efficient or experience some tissue damage after exposure. Long-term exposure to ozone is linked to ongoing breathing problems and can increase the risk of premature death from heart or lung diseases. But ozone's impact isn't just on people. It also harms plants by entering through tiny openings called stomata on their leaves. Once inside, ozone damages leaf tissues, which reduces the plant's ability to photosynthesize. That's how plants make their food using sunlight. When photosynthesis is impaired, plants grow less, and crop yields can drop. Forests and natural ecosystems also suffer because ozone weakens trees and other plants, making them more vulnerable to pests and diseases. This environmental damage affects biodiversity and the health of entire ecosystems. So, ground-level ozone causes air pollution by forming from pollutants released into the air by human activities. It then damages our lungs and plants, creating a double threat to health and the environment. Reducing emissions of nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds from cars, factories, and other sources is key to controlling ozone pollution. This helps protect our air quality, our health, and the natural world around us.